have our M887VL Camilla Purse. Your monogram will go here on the opposite side of the interior zipper pocket. Be sure to keep the tassel accessory out of your sew space. Slide the purse onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame, pushing the handle past the needles and out of the sewing area. Use our custom centering jig to confirm center. Trace the sewing area to ensure the monogram fits inside of the frame. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. We use Grotz Beckert RG-Tech needles, and we think they are the best on the market. These needles reduced our thread breaks by 49% and allow us to go from sewing knit scarves to canvas bags to leather purses without ever changing needles. At WB, we use the Slimline 1 clamp to embroider almost everything in our line. This is the lowest profile clamping system available on the market. With 9 window sizes available, this is a perfect choice for embroidering products that vary in size and shape. When your sew is complete, remove the item from the frame. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.